Yung cafe sa Baguio City na merong ganito kagandang view habang ine-enjoy mo yung malamig na panahon at umiinom ng mainit na kape? That is the absolute goal sa tuwing nagbabakasyon tayo dito sa City of Pines. Lalo na kung hindi naman na tayo nakikipagsabayan doon sa mga tourist spots. Ang gusto natin dito, mag-relax. This place is called Grapevine. Hinanap ko lang sila via Google Maps. Meron silang garden area pero for the most part, ang pinupuntahan talaga ng mga tao dito ay itong dining area na merong malalaking bintana. I ordered their signature hot chocolate, good for 2 people na to. It's super rich and chocolatey, just the right amount of sweetness, very comforting, lalo na sa panahon na to. Up next, we're having their salmon salad. It's tangy and fresh and has smoked salmon. Tapos yung crunch factor niya nandun sa parang potato croquettes on the side. This was actually really good. For dessert naman, we're having their pistachio cinnamon roll. They're going to heat it up before serving and it's super soft and moist. It tastes really good on its own but I decided to dip it in some hot chocolate. Around 2 to 3 hours siguro kaming tumambay dito kasi napaka-chill nung vibe. Yung drinks naman ng mga kasama ko is this iced coffee at yung isa naman ay nag-honey matcha latte. The next time you visit Baguio, kung naghahanap kayo ng cafe recommendation, ilagay nyo na sa listahan nyo to.